Hey everyone, I'm getting a bit of a late start on Christmas nails this year, but I do have a pair of designs to share. The first mani is a Christmas version of a textured gradient design I did several years ago. To start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails. I then painted my index and pinky nails with a coat of gold polish. For the rest of my nails, I used a coat of my tan textured polish as a base for the gradient. I then applied a layer of liquid latex around the nails with the textured polish and added a second coat to the gold nails. Once the latex was dry, I applied 3 textured polishes, tan, red, and green, to a makeup sponge and sponged the polishes onto my nails until they were opaque. While the polish was still wet, I removed the latex. To finish up, I sealed the gold nails with a top coat and left the textured nails as is. I hope you all liked these super easy nails, and I'll have another Christmas design up later this week.